According to the 2023 National Electrical Code, specifically Section 680.26, E1 lamps operating at not more than 12 volts nominal must not be installed within 5 feet of the inside walls of a pool. The same 5-foot minimum distance applies to the edge of any platform, diving board, or diving stand. This regulation exists to enhance safety around swimming pools and to minimize the risk of electrical shock. It is crucial for anyone installing or maintaining pool lighting to adhere strictly to these codes. Firstly, the code mandates a minimum distance to ensure that individuals in or around the pool are not exposed to potential electrical hazards from low-voltage lighting. Secondly, the 5-foot distance provides a buffer zone, reducing the likelihood of accidental contact with the fixture. The requirement underscores the importance of professional electrical work around swimming pools, as proper installation and adherence to code are paramount for safety. Thirdly, the NEC regulations are updated periodically. It is important to always refer to the most current edition of the NEC. This ensures that installations meet the latest safety standards. The NEC acts as a comprehensive guide, setting forth the standards for electrical installations to protect people and property. For pool lighting, these standards address everything from the type of equipment that can be used to the specific distances and clearances required for safe operation. Fourthly, when dealing with low-voltage lighting systems, it is essential to use transformers and power supplies that are specifically designed for pool and spa applications. These devices are typically listed and labeled for wet locations and provide an extra layer of protection against electrical hazards. Furthermore, the wiring methods employed for pool lighting must comply with NEC requirements, including the use of approved conduits and grounding techniques. The purpose of these requirements is to create a safe electrical environment around the pool. Fifthly, equipotential bonding is a crucial aspect of pool electrical safety. It involves connecting all metallic parts of the pool structure and associated equipment, such as pumps, filters, and lighting fixtures, to a common bonding grid. This minimizes voltage differences and reduces the risk of electric shock. The bonding grid must be properly installed and connected to the electrical grounding system to be effective. Sixthly, ground fault circuit interrupters, also known as GFCIs, are required for all electrical circuits serving pool equipment and lighting. GFCIs are designed to detect even small leakage currents and quickly interrupt the circuit to prevent electric shock. These devices should be tested regularly to ensure they are functioning correctly. Seventhly, pool lighting fixtures must be listed and labeled for their intended use, which means they have been tested and certified by a recognized testing laboratory to meet safety standards. The listing mark indicates that the fixture is suitable for use in wet locations and is designed to minimize the risk of electrical hazards. Moreover, it is crucial to ensure that all pool lighting fixtures are properly grounded to provide a path for fault current to return to the source, further reducing the risk of electric shock. Eighthly, the NEC provides specific guidelines for the installation of underwater lighting fixtures in swimming pools. These fixtures must be installed in accordance with the manufacturer's instructions and must be located at a minimum depth below the water surface. The purpose of these requirements is to prevent the fixtures from becoming a hazard to swimmers and to ensure that they are properly protected from damage. Ninthly, it is important to be aware of the potential hazards associated with electricity and water. Never use electrical appliances or devices near a swimming pool or other body of water. Always keep electrical cords and devices away from the pool and avoid touching electrical equipment with wet hands. Educating yourself and others about electrical safety can help prevent accidents and injuries. Tenthly, regular inspections and maintenance of pool electrical systems are essential for ensuring continued safety. Have a qualified electrician inspect your pool's electrical system periodically to identify and correct any potential hazards. This includes checking the condition of wiring, grounding connections, GFCIs, and lighting fixtures. Addressing any issues promptly can help prevent electrical accidents and keep your pool safe for swimming. The 5-foot rule is a critical safety measure detailed in the National Electrical Code for pool lighting installations. It specifically addresses the placement of 12-volt light fixtures relative to the pool's edge, as well as any adjacent structures like diving boards. This requirement aims to significantly reduce the risk of electrical hazards in and around the pool area. Low voltage systems, while generally safer than higher voltage systems, can still pose a risk if not properly installed and maintained. The code emphasizes the need for a safety buffer. The 5-foot distance provides a physical separation between the light fixture and the pool's edge, minimizing the chance of accidental contact. This is especially important in wet environments where electrical conductivity is increased. The NEC guidelines are designed to be comprehensive, covering various aspects of pool electrical systems. It is imperative that anyone involved in installation or maintenance of pool lighting is knowledgeable about these requirements. They must adhere to them strictly. The code is not merely a suggestion, but a set of legally enforceable standards designed to protect public safety. The NEC is updated regularly to incorporate new technologies and address emerging safety concerns. Staying informed about the latest revisions is crucial for ensuring compliance. Regular training and education are essential for electricians and other professionals working with pool electrical systems. Equipotential bonding is a critical safety measure that helps to equalize the voltage potential in and around the pool area. By connecting all metallic parts to a common bonding grid, the risk of electric shock is greatly reduced. This is particularly important in areas where there is a potential for voltage differences to develop, such as near electrical equipment or metal structures. Ground fault circuit interrupters, or GFCIs, are life-saving devices that are designed to protect against electrical shock. They work by detecting even small leakage currents and quickly interrupting the circuit. GFCIs should be installed in all electrical circuits serving pool equipment and lighting and tested regularly to ensure that they are functioning properly. The NEC also provides specific guidelines for the selection and installation of pool lighting fixtures. The fixtures must be listed and labeled for their intended use and must be installed in accordance with the manufacturer's instructions. Proper grounding of pool lighting fixtures is essential for safety. This provides a path for fault current to return to the source and reduces the risk of electric shock. The grounding system must be properly installed and maintained to be effective. In addition to the 5-foot rule, the NEC also specifies minimum depths for underwater lighting fixtures. These fixtures must be installed at a depth that prevents them from becoming a hazard to swimmers and ensures that they are properly protected from damage. Finally, it is important to be aware of the potential hazards associated with electricity and water. Never use electrical appliances or devices near a swimming pool or other body of water, and always keep electrical cords and devices away from the pool. The combination of electricity and water can be deadly, so it is important to take precautions to protect yourself and others from electrical hazards. It is also necessary to check with your local authority having jurisdiction to ensure there are no conflicts with more stringent local codes. Always follow the latest and most strict code. This will ensure the safety of life and property.